Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to talk about the personal hotspot connection and sharing on OPPO mobile phone settings. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, here you just click on the search bar and search for the personal hotspot. Okay, here is the personal. Okay, just read the personal hotspot. So the first option has came the personal hotspot. Just click on it. After you have been click on it, see you can see the first option is the personal hotspot and it has written to use a personal hotspot to share your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. This may consume more mobile data and power. So it says it can consume your mobile data and power if anyone will use. Okay. So if you want to activate anyway, just click on this icon and it will be activate, and if you want to off again you just click on this icon, it will be deactivate. Okay, and about the on the down you are going to find your personal hotspot setting. Just move on personal hotspot setting. If you want to change the device name, you can change the device name as you wish. Okay, suppose I'm going to write here is the something. Okay, I just write it like that, and it says the way none personal, and here is the personal. You can select none. If you want to share for the none, you can share, and if you want to set for the personal, you can set see personal WPA3 WPA2. Okay, you can select from here, and here is the password. You can set the password anything. Okay, which one you want to set, you just set the password as your wish. If you want to write your name, you can write as I wrote my name on the last. Okay, you can write it like that, and here on the last one is the visible to other devices. This is the visible to other devices. If you want, you don't want that your device will be visible and you want to hide it, just click on this icon, it will hide your password. Okay, I mean your device. Okay, so if you want to visible for all, just click on this icon, it will be visible. Okay, and click on here on the upside, so it will be safe. So friends, if you don't know about the how to change, it's not working, you just give me a on comment section, you just write it if you have any problem, and the device name and your topic that you are in problem. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.